What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So on the other side of me is a car that I've actually been thinking, or I was thinking about getting, a BMW M340i. The infamous B58 motor in this beautiful car. It's pretty much the 4-door Supra. But unfortunately, it's not mine. It's the homies. You guys might remember him, the OGs. He had a white 392 that I actually raced when the Z was NA. And now, actually after that car, he got a, what was it, a Tundra? And he just traded in that Tundra for this. He literally got it 2 days ago, so I was like, bro, I gotta come check this car out.
I had it for like 5 months.
Dude. Oh, it still smells brand new. Can I sit in it, buddy?
Yeah, bro.
Bimmer, boys. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I could get used to this. Look, the screen works on this car.
Here, turn it on so it like warms up.
Is it... Can I put it in sport? Maybe it'll be louder.
Yeah, it's not gonna be as loud though. Just, you can type it right now in sport, and then you can turn it on.
Alright, where's it?
Right here, by the shifter.
Oh dang, it's over here. It's like a GTR. Oh yeah. Alright. This trade?
I say you did it, bro.
No, I'm saying me and you, this trade.
Oh.
Oh, got the bakers on and everything. Okay, one thing about Bimmers though, I don't know how to work this, bro.
Just hold the unlock shifter and then you can
hold it right here. Oh, it's already in drive.
Yeah.
And then to put it in park,
you
press it.
Press the P, yeah. Watch, step on it a little bit right now.
What do you mean step on it?
Yeah,
rev it.
Just like rev it.
Oh.
Higher.
Higher? That's almost 4,000
on sport.
Yeah. Now it is.
No, let me see.
Sport Plus.
Yeah, and then I step on it.
Oh yeah. Alright, I think I'm convinced. That's why I didn't want to come, bro. I told you I didn't want to come, bro, because I knew I was gonna want a Bimmer. I've been wanting a Bimmer.
Once you drive it, you're gonna want
I know. So wait, so I'm gonna drive it?
it. Yeah, so it has a heads up display.
I can drive it?
Yeah, bro.
Sheesh. This car is so nice, dude. So nice. Congrats to my boy. It's funny because like 3 weeks ago, I want to go test drive an M240. Oh, I didn't test drive it, I'm sorry. I want to go see a M240i. I think I recorded it. And he replied to my story. And he was like, oh, like I want to get an M340. And I was like, bro, that's funny. I kind of want to get one myself. And pretty much we were just like laughing about it. Like, oh, like let's see who gets it first. And I was like, bro, you're going to get it first because I'm so indecisive or whatever. And he did get it first. That's crazy, dude. He really got it. The rear lights are so sick. They're so bright. What do you guys think? Alright, look. I know I've been on and off about trading this car. Right now, I love the setup. I love it. But I'm gonna try to fix the screen. If I cannot fix the screen, if it's like over $1,000 or $2,000, I'm done. So I already found like 2 M340s. I could possibly get one of these cars or a Supra. I don't know. But enough of that. I'm tired of every single video talking about trading that car in when I'm not doing anything. So for now, let's go for a drive. So you just showed me a pretty cool feature of this car. Do it.
Let's see if it works.
That's pretty sick, bro. Imagine you're carrying out your groceries. It's like oh, the head-up display is sick. I never had a car with the head-up display.
Yeah, me neither.
Damn, this is what it feels like to be rich. Alright, let's see if I remember. You said hold it and just press it down, right? Yeah. Is that already in sport?
Yeah.
Oh, which one's the best one? Sport Plus, no?
Plus, yeah.
Alright, first time driving a... Dude, I'm not even stepping on it. It's so responsive.
This is a straightaway. Just be careful because sometimes it pops.
You guys hear those pops? Alright, got it. Is this by the area where we got pulled over?
Nah, that was more over there on the other side.
Now?
Yeah. Much different when you're in the passenger seat.
How does it feel?
Just pulls it back.
You guys hear the little pops? Oh, it's an M3. Shall we go race it? I'm gonna go. Have you done a first gear boy?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
It takes off. You do. feel like when you drive it, there's no way you can say no.
Yeah, that's the thing.
He's gonna go home and look for the same thing.
Imagine once it's tuned. I'm telling this dude to put a downpipe on E50, bro. You'll get GTRs. I'm trying to see if I can see myself in it.
I see it.
Bimmer?
I can see myself driving it.
Huh?
I'm like, I can see myself driving it.
Oh yeah, this is nice. This thing's torquey, bro.
Yeah, it is. That's the one thing I have noticed, that it's super torquey.
The downshift by itself.
Yeah, just imagine the exhaust. That shit would be loud.
That's cool. Does it by itself?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this car is very legit. Alright, my mind is made up. If I cannot fix the screen within like the next month, I'm actually gonna try though. Then yeah, I'm gonna try to either get one of these or another form of B58 because these cars are sick. Alright, one more pull. Oh, those pops.
Dude, this thing is like literally the perfect daily too. It's on full tank. And it's
Yeah.
like 411 miles.
So the gas is good on this one?
Yeah. Like if I was to drive it on fucking Eco Pro, bro, it saves so much gas.
Is that how you were driving on the way home? That's funny, guys. He actually bought this car like, what, like 8 hours away?
Like 7 hours.
You bought it yesterday too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to come yesterday, but
Full day of driving.
yeah, I get it. He was tired. Mate, oh my gosh, these freaking doors. They're like worse than VQ doors. Ready to the gas station. I'm gonna pump some gas because I wasted all of his gas right now. Dude, this color is very, very nice. It's crazy because like people that don't know about cars, you wouldn't know that this has a super motor in it. And you wouldn't know that these cars are pretty quick. Like I'm telling you, bro, like downpipe E50 or full E85, bro, you're gonna gap a lot of cars. All right, bro, the people want to know, what's your plans with this car, bro?
What is my daily driver?
So what, like,
Like mods will come in, but like, I don't know, I just need some time. For sure, I feel like appearance first, and then maybe like.
I mean, you do live in Riverside, so.
The murder, you know,
So home of the whatchamacallit? RSO. So you want to keep it.
Oh, they pull you over for no reason.
Yeah, you want to keep it stocked as possible. I'm gonna have him park it over there. Huh?
Trading cars?
Let's trade it.
I'll trade you for the Z.
Okay, yeah, anyways. I want to hear it start up. It's a sick car too, dude, but this is looking another level. What's up? Trying to head up or what? You'll get gas, bro. Sheesh. Sick ass fool. It sounds so good, bro. Especially on the startup. It smells like pump. It needed to smell like corn, homie.
No, soon.
Alright, bro. Good seeing you.
Alright, buddy.
For the homie that don't follow the homie, here's that.
I'll be posting soon.
He'll be posting it soon. He took like 2 months to post a truck.
I never posted it.
You never did, huh? You suck. Alright, guys. That's going to conclude today's video. If you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can get alert whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.